Hello guys, welcome back to another episode on Forex City. Today we are going to study and then also try on moving averages and the RSI indicators, how profitable we can be making our trades. We all know that moving averages are always the best indicators so far. The moving averages and then the RSI, they are best indicators so far to make profitable trades on currencies and also on stocks or indices. What we will need is we need 4 moving averages. We need the EMA 50, which is the black line over here. Then we also need the EMA 21, which is the red line over here. And then we also need the EMA 13, which is the pink line over here. The pink line over here. And then we also need the EMA 7, which is the green line or the green line over here. The green line over here. And then this is our RSI. So let us go to the settings and go and set the EMAs over there. Let's go to the settings. So you just go to the indicators column and then you go and pick your moving averages over there. You can see that I've already set the moving averages over here. So we change this one. We change this one to red moving average. We change it to 21, and then the color is red, and then the exponential, the method is exponential, and the shift, we don't do anything about those side, but we only change the exponential, the method to exponential. And then we are done with it, and then we go to the second moving average, which is over here, which is the 50 moving average. Here we will not change anything over here because it's already on period 50, and it's already on exponential, and it's also already on color black, which will indicate that it's a 50 moving average. And then we come back and then we also go to the third moving average, which is the 30 moving average, which is the pink one. Here we will not change anything over here because the period is already 13, and then the method is already on exponential, and then the color is already on pink. This is the color already on pink, so we will not do anything over here. Now we go to the fourth moving average, which is the last one, which is it's already on 8, but we will change it to 7. We change it to 7. Change to 7. And then we change the method is already on exponential, so we leave it on the exponential. Then the color is already on green, so we leave it like that. And then we'll come to the relative strength index, which we search for relative strength index. Already we have the relative strength index on it, so let's check the period. The period is already 7, so we can change it to any period that we like, but for this strategy we need it on 7. And then the color for the trend, or for the color for the line in the middle, we will choose any color that we want, but we decide to choose blue. And then we come here to and then edit the levels too. We come here to edit the levels. The levels, we choose the periods are already there. The 30 and 70 is okay, it's good. And then we will choose the color, the color we choose color red. Red is also good. And then we are done. So these are our settings over here. So you can see the 30 column over the 30 level over here on the moving average. Sorry, the 30 level over here on the RSI, and then another 70 also on the RSI. That is it. So what is our session talking about? All that we need is for when we see an uptrend. How do we get to see an uptrend? When all the moving averages has crossed when all the EMAs the EMA, the moving averages, has crossed the black moving average, that is the 50 EMA. And then the green EMA is on top of all of them. It means we have an uptrend over here. And then we are waiting for the RSI also to move. If you want to buy, we are waiting for the RSI to also move from 30 to hit the 70, the 70 line, or the 70 line. Remember, this is the 70 line. Let me give the rule to you. This is the 70 line over here, the 70 RSI line or RSI level, and then the 30 RSI level. This is a 30 RSI level, right? So if you want to buy, we want the market should be on uptrend. How do we see that the market is on an uptrend? It's when all the moving averages are above the black moving average, that is the 50 EMA. When all the EMAs are above the 50 EMA, the black line is the 50 EMA, and then the red line is the 21, and then the pink line is the 13, and then the green line is the 7. So when they are all above, or simply when the green moving average is above all of them, you are on an uptrend. When there's the crosses like that. So let's go and look for a trade. So let's see if we can get a trade over here. The trade over here. Yes, here I think we had one. We had a trade over here at this level, because we are waiting for, if you want to buy, we are waiting for the market should be above the RSI level 70, and we are we want to spot this candle. So we put a buy over here. We put a buy over here on this very green candle. Our TP must always be twice the stop loss. I actually normally use 10 pips, or sometimes 7 to 10 pips, or 8 to 10 pips, but I normally use 10 pips or sometimes 8 pips. So here we will be using 8 pips, but 8 pips, so the TP should be 3 times or twice. It depends, but it shouldn't be the same. It shouldn't be equal portion. That is, it shouldn't be times equal. That is 1:1. No, it should be 1:3 or 1:2. So here I'm going to use 1:3. So when we place our buy after this candle closed, after this green candle closed, this particular green candle, after it closed, this particular green candle, the one that the rule is on, this particular one that the rule is on, when it closed, we put a buy over there, and then we set our profit target to, if we are using 8, then we have to set 8 times 3 will be 24, so 24 pips. But sometimes it will go beyond that, but we just need 24. We don't want to be greedy, so we set this here, we set our stop loss over here, and bam, we had it with the first move. It even went more than that. Then we are done with it. We make our profit. And let's look at another opportunity from the market. Here, if we should have picked this trade over here, we would have lost. Yes, because the market went towards the top direction and then reversed to the reversal direction. But if we should have picked the trade over here at this level, when it hit the 70 line over here, in the market we would have won over here too. We have made our more than the 24 pips over here. One good thing about this strategy is that it has a winning rate of 85%. So all that you need is your money management. It's a very good strategy. Let me go over it again. What do we need? We want an uptrend. If you want to buy, we need an uptrend. An uptrend is when all the moving averages have crossed the 50 moving average. That is, all the 3 moving averages have crossed the 50 moving average. We have an uptrend, and then we wait. If you want to buy, we wait for the RSI to hit the 70 level or above the 70 level. When a green candle closes, we buy there. When the green candle closes, we buy from that level. Then we had one over here, we had one over there, and then we also had even had 1, 2 over at this side. When it hits this level and closes at this level, we had one also over at this level, and it went all straight up. The same thing applies to sell. At the sell level, we are waiting for the market to drop to a downtrend. And here is how it happened. The market dropped to a downtrend at this particular level. It dropped to a downtrend. How do we know? Because all the moving averages came down the 50 EMA. That is a black line. They all came down the black line or the green line below all the other lines. All right. And then the RSI was below or was on the level 30. So we place our entries immediately when this candle closes. We place our entry there. And then we set our addition to 10 pips or 8 pips. And you could see it only reversed, but the reverse was not even up to 8 pips. It was not even up to 10 pips. Yeah, it was not up to, let me see, from here to here. Yes, we could have taken a hit over here, but don't worry. Yeah, we could have missed over here, but don't worry. Another one also formed over here. Here it didn't go that much. You could see. So when we put our entry over here we would have lost over here because it went more than 10 pips. So here we could have win over here because here immediately when we placed this in here, it only went for how many pips? Let me see. Only I think 3 pips or so. Yeah, it only for only 3 pips. Yeah. And then it went all the way down to more than 24 pips. Look at it. From this side to this side, it's more than 24 pips. It's even more, almost about 50 or 60 pips. More than that. I'm supposed to calculate it, but I don't have the enough this thing. Look at it. So there are so many opportunities in the market with this strategy. This strategy is superb. It's superb. All that you need is your money management, and then you go by it as I've taught over here. Thank you guys. We'll meet you at the other room.